Hey everybody, this is Paul, and I literally just jumped over that and screamed, and it did not move. It's a baby Southern Pacific rattlesnake. I'm a little shaky here, but there it is. So it has a tiny little bud on the tip of its tail, a button actually they call it, and it looks like it's shed once. So this is a baby Southern Pacific rattlesnake. And remember, these things are out any time of year in Southern California. It's actually November 7th and it's chilly. I was about to put on a sweatshirt, and now you can see this is sunning itself, and I have to say thank you for not biting me. I grew up around these in Southern California in our backyard, and I've had a lot of close calls, and tonight was one of them. So this little animal has not moved, and this is why I'm very careful when I'm doing my gardening. So it's about a foot long, and I'm going to show you today how to not kill them. So alright, it sees me, and so what I do is I actually have this, and I do this. You can see it's really lethargic, and it's not upset. No rattle, no buzzing. It just strike. I don't want to hurt it. It's so fragile. So come on, little guy. Again, most people kill these. Don't kill them. Relocate them if you can safely. In this case, it's not very easy to get such a little baby here. All right. We're gonna get you. Alright, there. Not as smooth as I wanted, but there you go. So little. And again, it never even struck. Hasn't struck at all. Or rattled, I should say. It struck several times. And very small. That's a Home Depot bucket. So be safe out there when you're gardening or bringing in the trash, folks. Okay, I got this little guy in better lighting here. I'm going to put a top on this Home Depot bucket, and I'm going to go relocate this somewhere. It's probably going to be really dark. It's dark right now, and I don't feel like I'm going to try to film that myself and relocate this. So I just wanted to show you, just be really cautious. I mean, look, that's a quarter I put next to this baby rattlesnake coiled up. So it still has never rattled yet. If these little guys do rattle, it sounds more like a high-pitched kind of buzz. It's a little different. And just be really careful out there. This is, again, the middle of November, and it's cold. I was about to put on a sweatshirt, and this was just sunning itself on the asphalt, and I could have gotten bit tonight. I literally jumped over it. I saw it at the last second. If I was on my phone, I could have stepped on it, but luckily I was just thinking it was a stick, and then I noticed my brain kicked in at the last second, and I jumped and screamed. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe, and try not to harm these. You could call, I believe, the fire department, and they'll come relocate them, or sometimes they will kill them. But these guys deserve to live too. So do the right thing. All right, take care. Dude, it's creepy.